Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A bad crankshaft position sensor is a common cause of no starts. The signal from this sensor goes to the PCM or ignition module that switches the ignition coils on and off. Using a voltmeter, check for voltage at the coils with the key on and while cranking the engine. The voltage should be switching on and off.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Technically, the crank sensor does indirectly control the fuel pump on a lot of vehicles. When the ignition is switched on, the pump runs for a couple of seconds to pressurize the system. It then stops and will only start to run again when the engine starts to rotate. This rotation is sensed by the crank angle sensor.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
When your engine cranks but won't start or run, it could mean your engine is having trouble producing a spark, getting fuel, or creating compression. The most common causes are problems in the ignition, for example, a bad ignition coil, or fuel system, for example, a clogged fuel filter.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.